Hello, hello everyone. Let me give a very brief explanation about the RStudio today. To start working in RStudio, let us first type RStudio in the search bar and click on this. When you click on this, your RStudio will open in your computer. And this is the default layout of the RStudio. This has four small windows: 1, 2, 3, and 4. This window is the place where you write the scripts. Whatever script after compilation, the output will be shown in the console. And this small window at the top right has three different distinct icons. The first one is the environment. Environment is a place for all the variables that you'll be writing, defining over here. This is the history of commands that you'll be giving. Let's not talk about this. Let's talk about files, plot, packages, and help. Right. So file is the place. In the file, you'll see all the files in the working folder that you will be setting. You'll be setting certain folder as the working folder, and all the files in that folder will be shown over here, right? And the plot, whatever plot command that you'll be giving, it will be shown in this. And the packages, these are the list of packages which are available for you to install and start working. And help, whatever help that you give over here, that you look over here, will be shown in this. So the first thing that we need to do is, this is the default script that will be open for you. If you want to open a new script, go to file, go to new file, and then RS script. This same thing can be done using Ctrl Shift and N. Simultaneous pressing of these three will also open a new script. Let's see. This is a new script that you open. Now, I would like to save all this script in my working folder. So let me set a working folder first. To set a working folder, go to session, then set working directory, choose the directory, choose the folder that you like the files to go and save. So I like my files to go into the RStudio that I have created over here. Double click on RStudio and open. When you do that, click on files, and these are the files which are there in the RStudio itself. This is the RStudio, and these are the files which are already there in the RStudio folder, right? Now let me start. Right, this is the first what you call sort of command that you have generated. Now the command history is showing the first command that you have done. This you have set the working directory. Set, W stands for working, D for directory. Set working directory to Z drive RStudio folder, right? So next thing that now let's start writing the coding. Let's start writing the coding in the untitled one. Say 2 plus 100 is the first code that I write, and I compile this using run or control enter. Either of these two will work. Now again it's coming out in the command history, but nothing will be shown in the environment space, because this space is only for variable. You are yet to define a variable over here. So let me define a variable in this. Say let's define the variable using a sequence function. Say I have a sequence of number from 1 to 100. By default starting from 1 is going up to 100, and I would like to sorry 1 second. Let me generate the sequence from say 20 to 50 in a gap of say 2. Yeah, I have generated a sequence from 20 to 50 in a gap of 2. This and is stored in A. A is a variable now, is being displayed in the environment space, and this has how many values? 16 values, and the values are 20, 22, 24, and so on. The same thing can be seen from here also. 20, 22, 24, and so on. I mean, you want to check how many values are there in A? You just put this A inside the length function. Is 16. Is 16 over here? The same thing. So environment thing is clear. Restricting whatever commands that you're giving over here, all these things will come over here. And now let's the packages also is okay to you. These are the list of packages. Installation of package will do it in later stage. And the plot, let's see how we do the plotting. Let me say box plot of what? A. Yeah, the box plot of A is coming out over here. You can, if you want, you can also give. So let's leave it for the discussion. More discussion on box plot will be done in the later stage. uh, this is how you do it. So let's check one more thing. Help data frame. Yeah, data frame, which we done in the last class. Data dot frame, right? So this is how the helps things will come out. So this is all about the RStudio that we should be knowing. Thank you for watching.